Hello Indian brothers, I am PK, Sales Director of Indian Market. Today I will introduce about our B Pro series to you. This is our B Pro series cabinet. It's totally, we make all stock for India. It's about 800 pieces stock first we are sending. We still have 10,000 pieces stock for Indian market. Now I will say about size and the others configuration. This cabinet size is 576 by 576. It's 2 by 2 size cabinet. It's totally removable half card. It's have Novastar A5S receiving card and it have 4 modules. The module size is 288 by 288. So magnetic modules also you can use screw for every modules. And this is the connector. This is the signal connector. You can see RJ45 connector. And this is the RJ45 connector, and also we have BIS. This is the BIS. This is the certificate for India. This pixel piece is 4.81 and the cabinet size is 576 by 576, which is B Pro.